Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now a daring robbery was caught on CCTV cameras. And the criminals in this video seemingly left nothing behind, taking even the gaming boxes from out of this bar establishment. I'm going to say what I go on, and they will continue the reasonation. Look and listen.
Nothing minimum we have there. We have a pratok na siya with dalaw. Kali, a shit first me have na na yun. Bitin semua di date yo. Vaksin Manina sinahi. Kalau vaks ya state organ memang. Isi mana sah? Aja. Dia mana vaks ya for them. Ini kau mana yang ini? Sore nobody no go on sore. Zera sewa man para desari anda desat man go desari kom ini aso. Manina bas ko kinayat bra. Wala na din ba ko binayad? Yan na si. Ano kaya sinulay sa please? Let's be never in Barano. I am little still. They have a car to blood. I box him. And trying your fault. Okay, now the man is going to be going back. Any money come for better.
Now also making headlines today, dancehall fans are worried about Skeng. Seeing that Skeng's friend Navas had to step away from the music and the entertainment scene for reasons unshared to the public. But speculations have been made. Now, people say Skeng seem tired. This can just be normal fatigue. He do a whole heap of shows off the island, probably jet lagged, probably just jump off a jet and then have to left from the jet to the hotel, get ready, and just go perform. Of course, you have other people where I say, something in pop. And with Skeng, an artist who is simultaneously living a dancehall artist lifestyle and also a rapper lifestyle. Also are going most of these young rappers. Oh no, the concerns are definitely real. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Now on to the other stories making headlines today. Now it has been reported that booze rang out inside the auditorium at Marcus Garvey Technical High School after the Jamaica Labour Party leader acknowledged the contributions of the outgoing St. Ann Northeast Prime Minister Marsha Smith. Now she will be replaced by Mate Samuda, to which it is not clear if people in the constituency want Mate Samuda, but it is clear that they are in opposition of Marsha Smith. I'm going to hear from Juliet Holness and what was said at the gathering at the Marcus Garvey Technical High School, and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
You would have seen that your party is not sitting down idly by. We are doing the things necessary to ensure your peace and prosperity. You are the people who have put us here. You have made us stronger. And I am saying to you tonight, continue to hold us to account. Continue to tell us what you want to see happen. I am saying to you tonight, don't give up hope. Always keep an optimistic outlook on life. Because we have been in a long struggle. But we are now at the point where we are going to see the benefits. God never kept us or kept his people in the wilderness forever. At some point, he sent leadership and he directed them out of the wilderness. Laborites, Jamaicans, we are on our way out of the wilderness that the PNP led us in and kept us here for over 18 and a half years. We are marching out of the wilderness. We have now shown that we can get your children employed. We have shown that we can pay down the national debt. We have shown that we can keep the dollar stable. We have shown that we can build more road than any other government has ever built before in Jamaica. We have shown that we can build houses for you, and we are going to ensure that there is peace in the land so that all Jamaicans can enjoy sweet, sweet Jamaica.
Now is this a sign to the ruling administration that gone are the days when a charismatic leader for a party can have a constituency where the constituency is loyal to the party and in support of that particular party leader. However, the party leader is not the MP for said constituency. Someone else is the MP, but the constituency is in support of the Prime Minister. Now, for years, this has been a scenario. Some constituencies were never in support of their MP, just in support of their party. How do it take place with Ms. Smith? It seems as if, while being an MP and having a portfolio was too much. Sometimes it is too much. That's why you have councillors and caretakers. Because after an MP is now given a portfolio, becomes a minister, it becomes hard to focus on constituency and minister portfolio. Councillors and caretakers, them can then in the community talk to the people, really relay the information to the MP, and supposedly them supposed to get whatever handled. Some are saying it has not worked out for all constituencies. And now it seems as if the ruling administration has seen it. Mr. Samuda will be replacing Ms. Smith. And the boos that were heard in the auditorium signal the fact that the people are now willing to show their frustrations with elected officials and also request their removal. Maybe it's also one of the reasons why recently the House Speaker said when these Integrity Commission reports are tabled, it should be after it is looked at privately and decisions are made and then presented in the House. As it is presented in the House, it is relayed to the public live. And they must say, sometimes these integrity reports make it look a certain way upon certain politicians. And she'll change it. Now she's also the wife of the Prime Minister. And the people are saying this cannot happen. When the reports are made, they should be tabled in the House, where everybody here see and know. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think about that. I think one of the problems is some of the things that may take place in the Parliament goes unknown to the public until the media, the written media, tells the people. And that is when the outrage happens. And that is why the Integrity Commissioner are saying, no, certain things cannot happen behind closed doors. And remember, the government did say transparency. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Not the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, if you want to live, love, and prosper, if you want to stay tuned.